community meeting. Today is the 30th of July, 2025.
You're breaking a lot, Adam.
Okay.
We can barely hear you.
Okay. Maybe now?
Yeah.
Okay. Just yeah, if you notice that I'm breaking. Okay, so
Sorry, it's happening again. It's kind of like coming and going.
okay. We'll check something else. Maybe now. Is it better?
Slightly, but I still hear you like breaking.
Okay. Interesting.
It sounds a lot like network issues.
Yeah, could be. Could be. Because you were breaking on my side too. But no, it sounded just fine. Maybe now?
Sounds better.
Okay. I will keep talking and then we run into this problem. I will try to fix it again. Okay. So yeah, welcome to the community meeting. We can skip the introductions. Please remember that the meeting is recorded. If you would like to have the project, please use the issue filter on GitHub and look for the good first issue and the help wanted labels. And by contributing to those, you would help the project greatly, and we would really appreciate that. If you are part of an organization that is willing to publicly acknowledge the adoption of Metal3, then you can do that by adding your organizations to the adopters.md file in the root of the community repo by pushing PR and editing the adopter.md same way as others have done before. If you are facing test failures on your pull request and you think that the failures are likely not related to your own changes in the PR, rather related to the infrastructure, then please create an issue in the affected repository, and in that issue, and link that issue to the Metal3 CI tracker project on the GitHub web UI of the issue. Related to incubation proposal, there have been some movement since yesterday. The due diligence results are public and up for public comments. And I link the pull request where you can comment or just read it. It's very positive. I don't think there is any problem that we have to address. We have discussed a few things, especially coming from the adopters interviews, some potential avenues of improvement for user experience. But other than that, yeah, very positive. And the result is that the TOC deemed the project acceptable for incubation. Okay. or at least the reviewer deemed it acceptable. But if I understood correctly, it was already discussed with the TLC. But anyways, you can read it in the document. If you are interested about any other um, artifacts or statistics, uh, then please feel free to follow the other links here in the meeting notes. I don't think we have anything that we carried over from the last week. And yeah, we can continue with the working group updates. I think no one is working on scalability right now. And the ARM tracker issue, I have pasted it here. Feel free to extend it and add your own other issues if you are working some multi-architecture or ARM related stuff. But I guess we can continue unless there is some comments for the working groups. Okay, if nothing, then release team and roadmap. Last week on Thursday or Friday, I don't remember exactly, the CAPI 111 Alpha 2 bump has been integrated into the CAPM3, and we have been watching the CI, and it seems to be relatively okay. So I discussed with Kashif that he will do the alpha release for the CAPM3 soon, very soon. And I assume it's already work in progress. Do you have any comments for that, Kashif?
No, as you said, I plan to do it hopefully this week. It's a work in progress. I don't know how much. Is it good? You can hear me better, or is
Yeah,
it
it's good.
bad? Bad.
It's good.
Okay, I still wanted to just highlight a bit on the incubation public review PR a bit. I'm not sure how the process goes. I haven't really checked the previous incubation proposals. And is it so that in the public review PR, do we need to, as adapters, comment something, or is it just like open for everyone to take a look and share their views? So that is something that probably we could investigate. And if it needs to be, we just probably leave some positive comments from the adapter side as well.
Yeah, my memory is that we don't have to do anything with that, but let's check. I agree. But I think the community members were responsible for the initial incubation document and the work, and then the reviewer collected everything from the adopters. So we have adopter info. I think this one is just for the broader community. That's how I understand, but we can check it tomorrow if you are interested.
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, I'll definitely check it. Thanks.
Yep. Okay. We don't have discussion topics, and I am working on something downstream for the last 2 days, so I don't really have any topics. I received very good reviews for my BMO feature that I was asking reviews. So thanks for everyone who are commenting on the issue or in private. Is there anyone who would like to discuss any topics? If not, then I will just quickly check the backlog to see if it's in order. Or not backlog, but the milestones. 110, 111. Okay, that's fine. is this something that I assigned? I think, yeah. Okay, good. I'm just looking for outliers, something that looks weird. Okay, different. This one I remember fine. 111. These are the active stuff. Okay, it's fine. Let me know if there is anything you would like to move to later or earlier milestones, and they have already a milestone marker, or something you are not sure about which milestone you should add it to. We have quite a few that issues that are already aiming for milestones. It's good to see. PO5, PO6. Okay, I think the backlog looks okay. Please always try to add the milestone and the project to your issues and pull requests so we can track it better. If you have questions related to the backlog or the milestones, feel free to ping me or ask it on this meeting or on the mailing list or on Slack. Either is fine. So, is there any question, comments in general?
I wanted to actually highlight also one issue that Adil has created in CAPM3 for the bump of the CAPM3 V1 beta to API.
Okay.
It would be good to also probably show it and ask folks to comment back if there is anything that they feel should be in the beta 2 API of CAPM3. I think overall, as a project, we should go towards this. I think there was a bump of the API, and now this is for the KPM3. So it would be good to have reviews and comments on this one as well.
Yeah, thanks, Kashif. I will assign it also, or I will triage it, accept it, and then also assign it to the roadmap. So, by the way, if you're not sure how to add issues to the roadmap, first you click on this project, select the MetaCube roadmap, and then from that you select the one of the projects, and these are the projects that we have releases for. So this is CapM3, and it's work in progress. So it's CapM3 VIP, and then CapM3 has milestones, and this is aiming for the 111. So this is basically the workflow that you have to use. Then we can also add I don't think we have release kind, but feature is fine here. Okay. Yep. Please feel free to comment here. And I will also add it to the discussion topics. Any other comments, questions? Okay. if there are no more questions or comments, then thanks for dropping by today. And let's meet next week at the same time. And until then, have a great week, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.